Want to grow juicy, productive tomatoes at home, even if you're starting from seeds? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to grow tomatoes in U.S. climate conditions, from seed to harvest, using simple steps that work for beginners. First, start with the right timing. Tomatoes love warmth. In most parts of the USA, seeds should be started indoors about 6 to 8 weeks before your last spring frost. If you plant too early outside, cold weather can stunt them fast. Use a seed starting tray or small containers filled with light seed starting mix. Plant each seed about 1/4 inch deep, water gently, and keep the soil moist but not soaked. Tomato seeds germinate best in warm conditions, ideally around 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. A heat mat can speed things up. Once the seeds sprout, give them strong light immediately. A sunny window can help, but grow lights usually work better because seedlings can get leggy fast. Keep the lights close to the plants so the stems stay short and strong. When your seedlings grow their first true leaves, it's time to thin or transplant them into slightly larger pots. 1 strong plant per pot is the goal. At this stage, air circulation matters too. Before moving tomatoes outside, harden them off. This step is important. For about 7 to 10 days, slowly expose the plants to outdoor sun, wind, and cooler temperatures. Skipping this can shock the plants and slow growth. Now let's talk about planting outside. Tomatoes need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun every day. More sun usually means more fruit. Choose loose, well-draining soil rich in compost. If you're growing at home in containers, use large pots with drainage holes. Bigger containers hold moisture better and support stronger roots. When transplanting tomatoes, plant them deeper than most other vegetables. Bury part of the stem. Tomatoes can grow roots along the buried stem, which helps create a stronger root system and a healthier plant. After planting, water deeply. Don't water a little every day. Deep watering encourages roots to grow down. Add mulch around the base to hold moisture, reduce weeds, and prevent soil from splashing onto the leaves. For U.S. climates, watering consistency is one of the biggest secrets. Hot southern areas may need more frequent watering, while cooler northern areas may need less. The goal is evenly moist soil, not soggy soil. Wild swings between dry and wet can lead to problems like cracked fruit and blossom end rot. Support your tomatoes early with cages, stakes, or trellises. This keeps fruit off the ground, improves airflow, and makes harvesting easier. If you're growing indeterminate varieties, regular pruning of suckers can help manage the plant and improve airflow. Feed your plants carefully.
Too much nitrogen gives you lots of leaves, but not enough tomatoes. Start with a balanced fertilizer. Once your tomato plants mature, switch to a fertilizer that supports flowering and fruiting.
Watch for common problems. Yellow leaves can mean overwatering, underwatering, or nutrient imbalance. Black spots and leaf disease often spread when leaves stay wet too long, so water the base, not the foliage. And if flowers drop, heat stress may be the reason. Finally, harvest tomatoes when they are fully colored and slightly firm. Don't wait too long for every fruit to become perfect on the vine, especially in very hot weather. Picking at the right time keeps production going. So if you want to grow tomatoes at home, the formula is simple. Start seeds at the right time, give them warmth and light, harden them off, plant deep, water consistently, support the plants, and stay ahead of problems. Do that, and even as a beginner, you can grow beautiful tomatoes almost anywhere in the USA. If this helped, subscribe for more easy gardening guides.